హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఎద్దడి మందు. ఈవేళ వీడియోలో మీకు అన్ని కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి సంబంధించిన మంచి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అయితే షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. గవర్నమెంట్ స్కీమ్స్ అందులో ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి, విచ్ స్కీమ్ ఆఫెన్ మెన్షన్ ఇన్ ద న్యూస్ ఎయిమ్స్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ స్కాలర్షిప్స్ టు మెరిటోరియస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ షెడ్యూల్డ్ క్యాస్ట్ కమ్యూనిటీస్ ఫర్ హయ్యర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ఆప్షన్స్: ఏ సాక్షర్ భారత్ స్కీమ్, బి స్వయం స్కీమ్, సి శ్రేష్ఠ స్కీమ్, డి సమగ్ర శిక్ష స్కీమ్. అండ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ సి శ్రేష్ఠ స్కీమ్. శ్రేష్ఠ స్కీమ్ సంబంధించి కొన్ని లైన్స్. ద CBSE హ్యాస్ ఇష్యూడ్ గైడ్లైన్స్ ఫర్ రెసిడెన్షియల్ ప్రైవేట్ స్కూల్స్ టు జాయిన్ ద స్కీమ్ for residential education for students in high schools in targeted areas. Srashtra scheme targeting meritorious students from scheduled caste communities for classes 9 to 12. The scheme aims to offer scholarships admitting around 3,000 students annually to private and NGO run residential. It collaborates with voluntary organizations to uplift SC communities socio-economically. Implemented by the Department of School Social Justice, the scheme operates through Shrestha School and NGO running schools and hostels up to class 12th. Next, second one. Mukhyamantri Gramin Solar Street Light Scheme, recently seen in news, is associated with which state? Options: A Bihar, B Jharkhand, C Odisha, D Chhattisgarh. And the correct answer is A Bihar. Some lines about this scheme. The Mukhyamantri Gramin Solar Street Light Scheme is associated with the state of Bihar. Despite the launch of the Mukhyamantri Gramin Solar Street Light Scheme in Bihar 18 months ago, over 80% of rural villages are still without solar street lights. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar initiated the scheme in 2022 to install over 1 million solar streetlights in 8,000 gram panchayats, promoting green energy. However, only 106,161 lights have been installed to date, significantly falling short of the target, as revealed by official data from the Bihar Panchayati Raj Department's digital platform. Ungalai Tedi Ungal Oril Come Look For You in Your Village scheme, recently seen in the news, is launched by which state? Options: A Kerala, B Tamil Nadu, C Andhra Pradesh, D Karnataka. The correct answer is B Tamil Nadu. The government of Tamil Nadu introduces the Ungalai Tedi Ungal Oril Scheme 2024, offering citizens monthly access to state government schemes and scholarships. This initiative aims to review project performance, inspect infrastructure, and address public concerns, ensuring effective implementation of government programs. One Stop Center scheme, recently seen in the news, is formulated by which ministry? Options: A Ministry of Women and Child Development, B Ministry of Finance, C Ministry of Rural Development, D Ministry of Agriculture. And the correct answer A Ministry of Women and Child Development. The Union Minister for Women and Child Development announced the establishment of one-stop centers (OCS) in over 700 districts nationwide under a centrally sponsored scheme by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. The initiative aims to offer comprehensive support for women facing violence, providing immediate access to medical, legal, physiological, and counseling services. The target group includes all women, including girls under 18, without discrimination. The funding comes from the Nirbhaya Fund with 100% financial assistance from the central government. District collectors, magistrates oversee day-to-day implementation. In the interim budget 2024-25, which of the following crops are taken into consideration for Atmanirbhar Oil Seeds Abhiyan? Options: A. Mustard, groundnut, sesame, soybean and sunflower. B. Palm, coconut, canola and castor. C. Peanuts, cotton and flax. D. Rapeseed and palm. The correct answer is A. Mustard, groundnut, sesame, soybean and sunflower. Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, highlighted farmers' welfare and rural demand in the interim budget 2024-25. The budget emphasizes achieving Atmanirbharta in oilseeds, outlining strategies like research for high-yielding varieties, modern farming techniques adoption, market linkages, procurement, value addition, and crop insurance for mustard, groundnut, sesame, soybean, and sunflower. Which state government recently launched Operation Smilex to rescue child laborers? Options: A. Rajasthan, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Telangana, D. Karnataka. The correct answer is C. Telangana. Telangana police conducted Operation Smilex, rescuing 3,479 child laborers statewide. Cyberabad police alone saved 718 children, reuniting 526 with parents. 329 were from the state, 389 from other states. Of the rescued, 640 were from child labor and one was a reported missing child. Throughout the operation, 2,947 children were reunited with parents, involving 676 police personnel working in teams coordinated with various departments and NGOs. The operation resulted in 254 registered cases in the Cyberabad Commissionerate. Pure for Sure initiative recently seen in the news is related to which one of the following? Options: A. CNG, B. LPG, C. Solar energy, D. Wind energy. And the correct answer B. LPG. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited BPCL launched Pure for Sure at India Energy Week 2024, aiming to enhance LPG distribution. Inaugurated by Hardeep Singh Puri, the initiative prioritizes consumer satisfaction by eliminating delivery inefficiencies. Unique features include a tamper-proof seal with QR codes for tracking cylinder integrity, ensuring equality and quality and quantity assurance. Pure for Sure allow customers to authenticate cylinders pre-delivery, promoting transparency. Any tampering renders the QR code unscannable, ensuring product safety and trust in this innovative service. How much budgetary support has the government constituted for Fisheries Infrastructure Development Fund? Options: A. 830.57 crores, option B. 935.55 crores, 939.48 crores, 955.68 crores. And the correct answer is C. 939.48 crores. The Union Cabinet, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, approved a 3-year extension of the Fisheries Infrastructure Development Fund (FIDF) until 2025-26. The extension maintains the approved fund size of 7,522.48 crore with a budgetary support of 939.48 crore. FIDF, initiated in 2018-19, has so far approved 121 projects, creating fisheries infrastructure and generating over 2.5 lakh employment opportunities. The extension aims to further boost development in fisheries, encouraging both public and private sector investments for economic growth in the sector. How many units of free electricity per month are provided under the recently launched PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana? Options: A 300, B 200, C 400, D 500. The correct answer is A 300 units. The Prime Minister of India launched PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, a 75,000 crore initiative providing 300 units of free electricity per month to 1 crore households. The scheme promotes rooftop solar systems through incentives to urban local bodies and panchayats. The central government ensures no financial burden on citizens, offering subsidies and concessional bank loans. Benefits include annual savings, electric vehicle charging, entrepreneurship, and job opportunities in solar related fields. Recently, which state government launched Van Mitra scheme to boost green cover? Options: A. Haryana, B. Rajasthan, C. Gujarat, D. Odisha. The correct answer is A. Haryana. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar launched the Van Mitra scheme, focusing on community-driven afforestation in non-forest areas. The initiative aims to involve local communities in expanding the state's green cover, increasing survival rates of newly planted trees, and promoting tree planting beyond conventional forest zones. The scheme emphasizes environmental conservation and underscores the importance of community engagement in fostering sustainable afforestation efforts across Haryana. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఎవరికైనా అవసరమైతే. అండ్ ఛానల్ని అయితే తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కన బెల్ బటన్ ప్రెస్ చేస్తే నా వీడియోస్ నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో మీ వద్దకు వస్తాయి.